This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. This is an easy and quick fix for the intake drain light flashing on your Miele dishwasher. It may be caused by a stuck circulation impeller. They sometimes stick if the machine has been out of use for maybe even a few weeks. And it's really easy to fix. What we have here now is a picture of what the impeller looks like. And this is located in the sump area, just behind the sump area of your dishwasher, just below the filter. So it's really easy to get to it using a very cool tool that Miele makes. This is what the tool looks like. It costs about $25 from Miele. Takes a while for it to get to you because sometimes they're sending it all the way from Germany. What you can use instead that works just as well is just a small fork, just the kind of fork we eat with. And you probably have one in your kitchen. And again, it works just as well. And it's pretty easy to do. If this video is helping you, please consider pressing down in the lower right-hand corner of your screen the subscribe button, and that really helps our channel. So you just take the eating fork and you push it into this area that's located underneath the filter. And some of the Miele dishwashers don't have this kind of rectangular slot that you can see in front of my hand. Some do. The Incognito model does. Some of them have like a little block in the way, but you just take the fork. Once you take the filter out of the way, you just slide it in there with the curved side facing up. And go into that hole. You're going in probably about an inch. And then you're going to make contact. The tongs of the fork are going to go into the plastic impeller. There's a little room for it to get in there. Then you're going to rotate the impeller to the right and to the left. And that's used to break up the friction that has built up between the seal on the rubber seal on the back of the impeller and the seal that it rubs up against. Especially when the sump area gets dried out, it's very likely that that impeller gets stuck and the drain motor doesn't have enough power to spin it. So we're just trying to get that thing to spin again. Another trick you can use is you can add some vegetable oil or some rinse aid into that little water that's down there. It's about a cup of water in there. And then you can do the same thing. You can get the fork in there and spin it around. And that's going to lubricate that area so that it's more likely that the motor can do its job and spin the impeller. It's going to try to spin the impeller right when you start the cycle. It'll do like a half-second energizing. And if it can't get it to spin, it'll try a couple times. It'll complain and shut off. For watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.